Hi guys, Lena here. I want you to see what I made today. Well, I've been working on. Even with the kitty cat in the lap, another kitty cat sitting on the end of the table, I made all this stuff with my 3D printer. They had a contest today. There's a gnat. Get out of here, gnat. They had a contest. It's called Monday Makes. And so I entered the contest for this Monday on the 10th. And I said, I got all these little steampunk things. I could make mouths and eyes. And so here they are, having their coffee with their kitty cats, all with their coffee cups in hand, enjoying or starting the day. What do y'all think? It was a lot of fun making. Well, I hope you like it. See you soon. Wish me luck. Hopefully somebody will like it enough to, I don't know. Maybe I won. Maybe I didn't. I don't know. We'll see. Hey, kitty cat. Kitty, 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 kitty. That's Mama Kitty right there. And then there's Daddy Kitty right over there in his favorite spot. What do you think about the hairdo? That's called printer poop, and when it changes colors, it makes this mess. And so I just glued a whole bunch of them to the back top of their head. This one has long hair. Ripley says that the blue one looks like him, and the one with the white hair looks like me.